Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the laptop actually has an NVIDIA GPU and that Windows updates are applied. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, and verify the NVIDIA device is present. If it's hidden, show Hidden Devices. Next, download the exact NVIDIA driver for your GPU and choose DCH versus Standard correctly. This prevents installer mismatches. Make sure to save drivers to an obvious folder and close all apps before continuing. Now you cleanly remove and replace the driver so the control panel can reappear. First, uninstall the NVIDIA adapter from Device Manager and choose to delete driver software if offered, then reboot. If that does not clear corruption, boot safe mode and run display driver uninstaller. This fully wipes remnants. Once the system is clean, run the NVIDIA installer and select Custom, perform a clean install. This reinstalls services, registry keys, and the control panel so it can register with Windows and reappear. Finish by ensuring NVIDIA services are running. Open Services, MSC, and set NVIDIA Display Container LS and related services to automatic, then start them. Once services are active, the NVIDIA Control Panel should appear in the desktop context menu or Start. If not, install the official NVIDIA Control Panel app from the Microsoft Store to restore access. If the panel remains missing, repeatedly wipe and clean driver install. And if that still fails, record logs and contact NVIDIA support. This one troubleshooting tip saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.